just for your information, the following episode, it has some interesting audio, to put it easily. Something happened with my sound condenser, but I don't know what I could do about it. Something must have happened when I plugged it in. But also, this isn't the wing we worked on today. This is the previous wing. Just you might get confused, but it's not. It's the right wing, and we're working on the left wing today. So sorry about that, just for future reference. Anyways. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Psychotic Projects, and you are watching the Toothpicks 747, episode 6. And today, we're working on the second wing. I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna copy and paste this to make it real easy. I wish. Anyway, so if you'll take a look at this place, it's looking wonderful. So we're definitely gonna clean this place up. Oof. Look at this. We just got seats all over the place. I can't believe this. This is insane. The first thing we need to work on is we need to work on toothpicks, because I used up all of those making the last toothpick, so maybe I can use up another one of these. Just cut all of them just in one stroke. No, I don't know. Yeah, just as many toothpicks as possible, because, yeah, these wings, there's a lot. This week, I am really busy, so I want to get the second wing done, and the little fin that would go right here. I showed you it in the previous episode. I'll show it to you again. But I want to get this done this episode, but I can't. So that little thing right there, and that is the same thing. It's just on a different view, so right there too. So that's basically what I want to do. I don't know if I'll have enough time. I probably won't. So, yeah, I just got to make another wing. Look at that. Look how many toothpicks that is. I've been spending probably like an hour just cutting toothpicks. I think that's close to 500, because this box right here is, well, obviously it's empty. So, it's not quite 500, because on the last wing, I went over the last 500 box, but it's still pretty close. One thing is look at that. It's bent, and I didn't do that. It just came in the box bent, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that, because I can't put that on the wing, because I don't think wings are very bent. I don't know. Anyways, so let's get on with the wing. I have the plans right here. I'm going to be putting all these toothpicks on there, and I'm going to be able to get a lot done, because instead of having to pause and cut a bunch of toothpicks and then get back to work and then cut more toothpicks, I have all the toothpicks cut. Hopefully I have more than I need, because, yeah, anyways, I'm pretty sure I have more than I need, so I'm just going to get to work, and I will see you in a little bit. Alright, so I have gotten a lot done. It might not look like it, but let me tell you, I've gotten a lot done. Now this is the outline. This is what the drawing looks like for the outline of the wing. And this is the wing I did last episode, remember? So let's just compare. So first off, they are a little bit different sizes, but you can see that right here, this line is way off. So I started building the wing, and it was looking like this at the beginning, but then I fixed it. And so instead of putting these columns, the supports on there, while like making it look like this shape, what I did is I threw this junk away. Just kidding, I didn't throw it away. But I just literally just put this up to here, and then I would grab my support, and then I just glue onto here, and then fix it if I needed to. So that's what I've been doing. It's pretty nice. So they're looking about the same. They actually look really close. It's just right here is a little janky, but we can fix that because of supports. And yes, that's what I've been doing. And let's get back to work. Okay, so I seem to have lost. Oh, I haven't told you about this guy. Oh, okay. So there's this little thing that I got. Don't remember where I got it from. I feel like I already said this, but I don't know. Anyways, I got this little thing, and it goes right on the camera. I can't really show you because filming. Anyways, there's this little thing that goes on the camera, makes the view a little wider. I've got this right here. Now this would go on a little thing and then connect to my phone, and so it would go right. Okay, hang on. Go right there. Except it wouldn't look like this because it makes it larger. But anyways, I hope. Yeah, you can. I mean, that's not bad. Yeah, I can't find the little clip, but that's all right. Anyways, so look at how much we've gotten done. This is awesome. We're not halfway because it grows, but we've gotten a lot done since I've had such a busy week. So I think right now we're gonna take a little break and clean up all of this. It's gonna be a little difficult because there's pieces like this all over the place where it could be used later, and there's also this all over the place. So we gotta clean it up. I think this would be a good time lapse. That's what I did last time. I did a time lapse of me cleaning the desk. I think it'd be good to do it again. That'd be fun. So I'm gonna set that up and let's get going. Okay, we have done it. This place is all cleared off. Well, yeah, there's that. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is I got this bag and I'm just gonna put all of these in here. Woo-wee! Now we have all of those in a bag. Alright, so now that we have all of the toothpicks out of the way, we're just gonna take off this and put it in the trash. And now this wax paper is important, but first we're just gonna take this glass and slide it right. All gone. Alright, so now there isn't any reflection, but alright, so I'm going to put that right there. Now that the desk is all the way cleaned off, I'm just going to put this right here, and then I'm going to put the glue gun on top of it so that nothing drips onto this wood. Alright, so that is looking good. It's very empty, but we're going to fill it back up very soon here because this project is messy. We got that very full garbage. I gotta love those Sour Patch Kids. Alright, and I think that's it for today. That is all I have time for today. I've been really busy this week, but I've been trying to get as much done as I can. Hopefully this next week I can get a lot more done. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. You've been watching Psychotic Projects, and I'm out.